This is Josh from Kohler Equipment. Here we're taking a look at the new ST27 from Wacker Neuson. This is a newer machine from them. It is a new small profile design, 60 inches wide, 79 inches tall. It is 2,700 pound rated operating capacity at 50%, 74 horse Kohler Diesel with no DEF, no REGEN, fully loaded with all the options. We've got power quick attach, high flow hydraulics, 14 pin auxiliary hydraulics. In the cab, we've got our air ride seat, selectable joystick controls, deluxe display with backup camera. We've got ride control, self-leveling, radio, all the bells and whistles.